Uba Ernest Mauri up State President ke BJP Meghalaya Unit ula kenok kela baka Chairperson Jong All India Trinamool Congress ke Mamata ke dei ke kyrshan ki brio na Bangladesh bat ke kham nongwei maka banya Menteri rang wak kari India Narendra Modi. Kani ke jingkran uba Mauri ke dei halor ke jing kenok ke Mamata ba umodi udai nongwei. Ula ong baka jing pentrai kam ya ke mai card bat ke wi card kalau phiel ha West Bengal bat ki pajba ha ke jela Meghalaya kim pediang ya ke AITC.
Yes, because this time we are going to win more seat, and our MLA also is here, our Minister Basambor is here with me, and we are working hard. And now the people, even if you go to the rural area, people talk about BJP. It is not like TMC, you know, Mamata Banerjee. She used to quote that. Even the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, she is quoted that he's outsider. And the BJP is outsider party, which we are opposing. We are the national party. The Prime Minister, how can you keep the statement Prime Minister is outsider? In that way, Mamata Banerjee, she is more outsider than him. And the origin of the TMC, it is from Calcutta. And why she keep the statement that to the Prime Minister is outsider? Because she is pro-Bangladeshi. She supports the Bangladeshi. That's why she gives that statement. So it is the party which is based only in West Bengal. Here the people do not accept the TMC. And they have bring that V card and E card, which is already in West Bengal is failed. It failed in West Bengal. Do you think that people here in Meghalaya, they will follow that trust, which already failed in West Bengal? And the law and order in West Bengal is very deteriorating. And I think now West Bengal government is the most corrupted government in India.